In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TikTok to Facebook. This is a handy way to share your TikTok content with your Facebook friends and followers, expanding your audience and keeping your social media profiles interconnected. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Facebook account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your profile. Once you're on Facebook, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings and profile management. Next, select your profile from the menu. This step will take you to your personal Facebook page, where you can view and edit various aspects of your account. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It's typically located near your profile picture or cover photo. Click on Edit Profile to access the editing options where you can make changes to your profile information. In the Edit Profile section, you'll find different categories you can modify. Look for the Links section. This is where you can add or update information such as websites, blogs, and social media links. Click on Links to open this part of your profile. Now, within the Links section, you'll see an option labeled Websites, Blogs, Portfolios. Click on this option to open the input field where you can type in your TikTok link. It's important to ensure that you have the correct and complete URL for your TikTok profile. To find your TikTok link, you can open the TikTok app, go to your profile, and copy the link from the share options. Once you have your TikTok link ready, paste it into the input field provided on Facebook. Double-check the link to make sure it is accurate and functional. After you've entered your TikTok link, look for the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom of the section. Click Save to apply the changes. And there you have it. Your TikTok profile is now linked to your Facebook account. This connection allows your Facebook friends and followers to easily find and view your TikTok content, helping you to grow your audience across both platforms. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your social media presence and keep your followers engaged. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.